For close round 50, after the cluster and chain 1, we make a slip stitch top of very first single crochet, and round 50 finish. Round 51, chain 1 for a start, make a single crochet into same single crochet. We want to make 5 single crochet here, 1, another single crochet into next, 2, another one into next, 3, another one into next, 4, another one into next, and 5. Skip the last single crochet here, and we don't crochet around this front post double crochet. We want to make 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2. Now 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, 2 front post double crochet around next front post double crochet, 1 and 2. Now here we want to make 5 single crochet. Skip first single crochet, and into next we make a single crochet, 1, a single crochet into next, 2, a single crochet into next, 3, another one into next, 4, and another one into next, 5. Here we make a single crochet into chain 1 space, and a single crochet top of this cluster here, a single crochet into next chain 1 space, and repeat this pattern. We continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back. For close round 51, we make a slip stitch into very first single crochet here, round 51 finish. Round 52 we want to move here, so we make 3 more slip stitch, 1, another one into next, 2, and another one into next. Now we are here, chain 1, a single crochet into same place. Now we skip 1 single crochet, and we go for this front post double crochet here. We make 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2. Now chain 1, a front post double crochet around next front post double crochet here, into 3 chain space we make 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A front post double crochet around first front post double crochet here, chain 1, 2 front post double crochet around next front post double crochet, 1 and another one top of this, 2, like this, skip one single crochet here, and into next we make a single crochet. Now 3 chain, 1 2 3. Here we make a front post double crochet around this cluster of round 49. Here we make a front post double crochet, another 3 chain, 1 2 3, and here we skip 9 single crochet, and into this single crochet here we make a single crochet. Now I skip 1 single crochet, and into next front post double crochet we make 2 front post, 1 and 2, chain 1, a front post double crochet around next, 5 double crochet into 3 chain space here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now here a front post double crochet around first front post double crochet, chain 1, then 2 front post double crochet around the next 1 and 2. Skip 1 single crochet, and into next we make a single crochet, 3 chain, 1 2 3, and a front post double crochet around this cluster here, then 3 chain and another single crochet, 3 chain, 1 2 3, and a single crochet here. We continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here